Hi everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. And I have another subscription box for you. And this one is from the Farmers Finds. And this is their monthly subscription box. So for $24.99 every month, you will receive 2 to 3 different items that come from farmers markets around the United States, and they're small batch items. I've opened this box before when I got a quarterly box, and I am signed up also for the quarterly box, but I wanted to try their monthly box because I love the quarterly so much. I'm kind of curious what the monthly is like. So they only ship in the US right now, but let's get into it. So some of you might notice something, depending on how often you watch my videos. So it'll be really interesting to see if anybody comments on something from this video. Not going to say anything more. If I don't hear anything from anybody, then I'll assume that no one noticed. All right, so it says, welcome to Farmers Finds. And through your subscription, you will discover unique small batch brands and support the passionate creators behind them. The premium products you will receive every month take time and care to create, and we trust you will feel the love put into every single one. So again, oh, what is that? This is interesting. And a little underwhelming. Huh. Okay. Maple Craft maple cotton candy, crafted with pure maple sugar, 110 calories per serving. Now, underneath it says Best by 08/07/26. Why am I acting this way? Because there it is. It's definitely shrank, I think. That's quite underwhelming, isn't it? Now, I will say, I got notification that the box shipped on September 7th. And you know how sometimes that's like when they create the label? But September 17th, I still hadn't got my box. And when I would track it, it says they were still waiting for my item to ship to me. So I sent them a message on the 17th. The very next day, the product ships. So I'm wondering if this is sat for a while, but even so, it says Best by next year. So even if it sat for a while, I don't think that would be the result necessarily, but okay, that right there, that's underwhelming. But let's taste it because, it's all about the taste. Now, I will say, a maple cotton candy, I'm intrigued. 100% I'm intrigued. But this just is kind of underwhelming. But let's taste it because let me tell you, I love the last box. All right. Oh, so it is kind of unfolding. So it's getting a little bigger. It's good. It is very good. Solid sugar. It is very good. It does have a hint of that maple syrup. So it is very good. So there we go. It is good. All right. The next item. Here we go. Let me get. So again, we are to get 2 to 3 items. And the box was $24.99. What is this? Oh, hazelnut maple spread with cocoa. Vegan, no palm oil, no refined sugar, 35% fewer calories, 57% less sugar, 18% less fat compared to the leading brand. I am curious. I mean, I don't know about you guys, but I'm saying it's healthy. Okay, on the side, it also says gluten-free, very low sodium, no cholesterol, no preservatives, no fillers, no artificial flavors, refrigerate after opening, stir if separation occurs. Serve warm or cold. Let me see if I can get into this. Ah, okay, that wasn't difficult. All right. Oh no. The seal was off. Like part of it was like the seal was broke. Why am I in about this? Because it looked like when I first did it, it kind of looked like maybe it was sealed like airtight. Well, it said refrigerate after opening and it was open. So I just, I don't want to chance it. That's disappointing. That's really disappointing. Will I contact them? I don't know, you guys. I should contact them. I probably should contact them because I paid for it. And I can't use it. So that means I paid 24 bucks, 25 bucks for this. So yeah, I'll contact them. But that, yeah, because that's disappointing that I can't try it. So, man, this was a bummer box or a bummer video, wasn't it? Goodness gracious. But so, there you have it. This is the Farmers Finds monthly subscription box with items that were found at farmers markets throughout the United States. So that's what we have. Now, this again was a little underwhelming, but I will say the quarterly box that I got was amazing. So this is probably just one of those off things, but this is good, you guys. It is good. Okay, well, I am going to end for today, and I hope all is going well with you guys. And I need to put the lid back on this because I will eat the whole thing. You know how it is with eating cotton candy? It doesn't fill you up, and you just keep eating and eating. So, okay, bye, you guys.